Hello travelers, today we are back with another exciting episode of Bali series. East Bali is a region full of breathtaking landscape, ancient temples and hidden gems. Unlike the crowded tourist spot in the south, East Bali offers a more peaceful and authentic experience surrounded by lush mountains, stunning viewpoints and the black sand beaches. Our first stop was Lahangan Sweet, one of the best viewpoints in Bali, nestled in the hills near Mount Agun. From the parking area to entrance, there is a shuttle bus service available for a fee of 50,000 IDR. The entrance fee is also 50,000 IDR per person. However, reaching here required a short trek and the road can be quite bumpy, so be prepared for some adventure. This hidden gem offers an incredible panoramic view of the volcano and surrounding forest. The wooden viewing platforms making it a perfect spot for the photos, especially during sunset or sunrise time. If you would like to know more details about Lahangan Sweet, make sure to check out our dedicated Lahangan Sweet video. Exploring Lahangan Sweet, they dropped us off this cafe. It was nice to refresh with a cold drink while enjoying the wonderful volcano view, especially since East Bali is much hotter compared to other part of Bali. Next we visited Lempuyang Temple, also known as the Gate of Heaven. This iconic temple is one of Bali's most famous landmarks, offering a mesmerizing view of Mount Agun Prem between its built gate. There's a shuttle bus service available for a fee of 22,500 IDR. The entrance fee is also 70,000 IDR per person. However, be aware that it can get really crowded and you might have to wait in the line for your perfect shot. Despite the wait, the spiritual atmosphere and stunning surrounding making it worth visiting. For lunch, we stopped at one. There was a cozy local restaurant near Tirta Gangga. The food was delicious with a variety of Indonesian dishes to choose from. But one thing to note, they added 21% service charge, so keep that in mind when you are ordering. From there, we made our way to Tirta Gangga, a former royal water palace famous for its beauty design garden, koi-filled fonts, and intricate Balinese statues. Walking through the palace felt like stepping into a peaceful oasis. You can even buy fresh food and feed the koi while taking the serene ambience. In my opinion, the best time to visit Tirta Gangga is early morning or evening to avoid the heat and crowd, as it can get quite hot and busy during the day. Our final stop of the day was Vajan Beach, one of the most beautiful yet underrated beach in Bali. With its black sand, crystal clear water and fever crowds, it's a perfect place to relax and unwind. You can rent sunbed or take a dip in the refreshing ocean. There's no entrance fee. That wrap up our East Bali adventure from stunning viewpoints to ancient temple and pristine beaches. This region truly offers a magic experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. More amazing Bali travel videos are coming soon, so stay tuned.